Good day everyone. My name is Elmar B. Caldolan. So, today our topic is steps to take in case of ship damage. So, ship damage may happen because of collision, grounding, flooding, or bad weather. When damage happens, the crew must act quickly to keep the ship safe. So, the first step is to assess the damage. The crew must check where the damage happened and determine if water is entering the ship. So, motoy kuan sa crew i-check ang kuwag na bay makasod nga tubig sa barko. Kailangan mahibaw-an nila dayon kung asa dapit ang damage. Moto siya. Kinahanglan jud mahibal-an dayon aron ditso process nila kung unsay daot. So, the second step is to control flooding. Watertight doors, hatches, and valves must be closed immediately to prevent water from spreading to other compartments. Moto siya. Dapat siya siradan kaya ron ang tubig dili kasud ditso sa laing apartment o compartment. So, the crew should also start build pumps and use emergency equipment to remove water from flooded spaces. Moto siya dapat abtik ang mga crew sa pagkuha sa tubig sa sud barko aron di makaapekto sa barko. So, to regain stability, the crew may transfer ballast water, adjust cargo distribution, counter flood, opposite compartments if needed, reduce free surface effect by managing slack tanks. These actions help balance the ships and reduce listing. So, the ship's speed and course may also be changed to reduce rolling and improve safety during rough weather. So, after taking action, the crew must counter-check the effectiveness of the action. So, they should monitor angle of hail, draft, and trim, flooding level, condition of compartments, overall stability of the ship. So, moto siya. If the ship becomes more stable and flooding is controlled, it means the action are effective. Kung stable ang barko, so motoy pasabot nga effective ang ilahang buhat nga ilang trabaho, ilang action. But if flooding continues or the ship keeps listing, additionally emergency actions are needed. So og nagyapoy kuan, dapat gyapon nilang aksyonan. Og nagyapoy problema ilang aron stable gyapon barko, aksyonan nila og nagyapoy daot. So moto siya. So, proper damage control, flooding control, and stability management are very important during the emergencies. Importante gina siya ang pagka-stability sa barko aron safe tanan. So, counter-checking helps ensure the safety of the ship, crew, cargo, and passenger. Kuhan yun na. Makatabang yun na sa safety tanan sa samot nas barko, sa matas mga tao o sa crew. So, ang akong makuan ani, in case of ship damage, the crew must control flooding, regain stability, and continuously monitor the ship's condition. Moto siya nga atimanon gyud sa crew ang kuan sa barko, ilang monitoron ang mga daot. Kaya aron og naay daot gani, ma-check nila og kuan nila repair nila unsay daot og na emergency. Dapat ilang atimanon i-check nila kanunay aron safe ang ma-maintain nila ang stability sa barko og safe ang crew og ang passenger og ang ship pod. Moto siya dapat kuan jud ang mga crew mag monitor kanunay sa ship. So mura to akong na sabtan og ma-discuss. So dapat mag-maintain ang pagka safety sa kanunayng biyahe. And that's all. Thank you.